This is the First Alert Forecast with meteorologist Adam Young.
Now, Case is a little bit jealous because I was able to run in here earlier on today after working at my storage unit, just able to take off the ball cap that I got from you folks out in Jayton a few months ago, and I didn't even touch my hair. But what he doesn't know is because it's not humid at all outside after that northeast winds with the front and everything else here earlier on, and we're still going to feel the effects of that front later on, but we might have the humidity later that week. So, Case, I will have to do my hair later this week. Here for today, or excuse me, for tomorrow, here's how things are going to look. We're going to start off cool. We're going to have clouds in the morning, but later on those clouds are going to move out. We'll see the sun, but since we still have some of that cooler air in place, it's going to be really hard for us to warm up. So we're only going to be seeing those temperatures maybe, if we're lucky, in the mid-40s. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little optimistic here about maybe seeing 44 by about 4 o'clock here for tomorrow afternoon, which, a little bit shy of the warmer temperatures that we saw out there for today. Let's take a look at regional satellite and radar. And of course, right now, kind of the atmospheric ocean, if you will, the atmospheric current is well off to the north. Well, not well off to the north, maybe about 100 miles or so north. You can see the stream of clouds coming off the mountains of New Mexico. Even some precipitation trying to fall there, going out toward Tucumcari, Santa Rosa, not quite making it to the Amarillo area, but all those clouds hanging off to the north, we'll kind of see them kind of seep to the south, but we're not going to see the precipitation with it. That's just where our clouds are going to come from during the overnight hours for tonight, going into tomorrow morning. But things are going to be trying to change with this. It's not going to stay moving west to east for very long. In fact, we take a look at the regional raincast, and here's what we can expect the next couple of days. And, well, for the next couple of days, picking up on some of that, maybe a lot of snow across northeastern New Mexico, but we're going to start to see a low pressure system really kind of dig out to the southwest U.S. And that's going to help bring up some moisture, but the problem is it's not going to be at the surface right away. So even though we're going to have some very slight rain chances in the forecast for the next couple of days, it's not going to be great rain chances. I think our best chance is going to be Thursday night going into Friday. This paints us about Friday 4 a.m. I think it'll be a couple of hours earlier on that. So we'll put a 20% chance of rain on Thursday, but it'll be during the late evening hours is when I think we can see that. And of course, southeast Texas looks to be getting quite a bit of rain, but maybe by next week things try to become a little bit more interesting. But the rain chances aren't going to be that great, of course, with the winds mostly out of the north and northeast. Not a lot of moisture up there. It's all dry land, so not a lot of moisture coming in with these winds. And even though tomorrow Wednesday they'll start to shift a little bit more out of the south and west, well, not a lot of moisture out that way either, so it's going to be a dry wind as well. Any kind of moisture we get is going to have to moisten us from the top down, and that's not really good for rain chances here for this time of year. So tomorrow's high is 45 degrees here in the Hub City. 7-day forecast looking like this, where there's that 20% chance late of rain on Thursday. I think that's going to be our best chance here this week, Case. We'll have to watch the beginning of next week, though. I'm a little more hopeful then.
Okay, thanks, Adam. And my hair would look a little bit crazy if I didn't do anything to it. So I am jealous. Thank you, Adam. Actor